Ever wondered why some Instagram stories get tons of interaction while others get totally ignored? The secret might just be polls. If you want your followers to actually engage with your content, polls are one of the simplest and most powerful tools you can use right now. Let's talk about why Instagram polls are so effective. First, they make your audience feel heard. Whether you're asking for product feedback or just running a fun this or that game, polls turn passive scrollers into active participants. That's exactly what the Instagram algorithm loves. The more people interact, the more your content gets seen. Creating a poll is easy. Just open Instagram stories, snap your photo or video, then tap the sticker icon and select Poll. Type your question, add two options, and you're ready to go. You can also create polls in group chats to make decisions with friends, or even in your post captions by asking followers to vote with emoji or comments. But if you want next level engagement, get creative with your polls. Try guessing game polls or ask for instant feedback on your latest post. Trend challenges and what if scenarios are great for sparking conversations too. Now, here's a pro tip. If you notice your polls aren't getting many votes, you're not alone. Even with great questions, sometimes your poll just needs a little boost. Media Mister lets you buy real Instagram poll votes, so your poll looks active and attracts more genuine interaction. It's totally safe, there's no password required, and all the votes come from real users. So if you're serious about growing your Instagram and want to make your polls stand out, check out Media Mister. It's the easiest way to give your engagement a real lasting boost.